Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Hager number 774S. This is the replacement vinyl only from their 774S door bottoms. It's the 774, it's the replacement vinyl for the 774S. The underscore that we have in the part number is stripping out the finish code, so the factory understands, you know, the first question will be, what color do you want? And then it's, oh, it's the replacement vinyl only. So that's why we do that. This is the replacement only. This customer has a couple of 90-inch lengths that are here. And this is vinyl. This is for their, this replacement vinyl for their door bottom. Some installation instructions here, which, you know, go along with the 774 model itself. That doesn't really apply to what we're doing here. But this is just the replacement insert in vinyl. Okay, you're going to slide that into your door bottom, your 774 MIL. This video is just to give you some visual and dimensional evidence of the item. And generally what will happen is people will call, clients will call and say, I'm not sure if this will fit. Right, neither are we. So what do we do to contend with that unknown? Well, let's take some dimensions of it, is what we can do. And hopefully if you have some left over that you can measure, this will hopefully help determine if this is a candidate. You know, it certainly could be. It's a very generic design as well. Overall, it's about 1 7/16 inches from the flat to the flat. The width of the top of the T portion .33 inch. 0.33 inch width right across here, 0.33 inch. Let's go with a thickness of the material itself, 0.087. 0.087 thickness of just this feature, 0.087. Okay, you can tell that there are 5 fins down on the bottom. That would be a telltale sign. And this can be ordered in really any length that you need. It's just going to be supplied in a roll. Gray would be the color. I don't think they have black, although it's worth a look. Because black would be a standard color for something like a dark bronze insert, but I don't know if Hager offers black in this type of vinyl. Let's see if we have it listed. Gray. No, it's going to be gray only, is the bottom line. So we have this listed in several different lengths in the site. You know, just like as if it was a door bottom, really. If you needed a 200-foot roll, you could order 40 lengths at 60 inch each and indicate in the comment field, ship this as a continuous roll, 200 feet, that sort of thing. Or 200 feet of the 200 of the 12-inch lengths. That would also work. It's sold per foot, so it doesn't really matter. If you're going to do that, don't order a dimension between 2 feet. Order an even foot, because when you order an 18-inch piece, you're paying for 24-inch worth of the material. So there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Hager products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Any questions on the Hager? This is their part number 774S underscore. This is the gray replacement vinyl only for their 774S door bottom, or any other Hager product. Please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.